I'm Luke, I'm Head of Client Services. I give InVision App 3 stars. For more reviews, click below. Before InVision App, we just presented on laptops, and we didn't really have a way to present remotely. And that was really difficult because what InVision App allows you to do is not just present static screens, but also knit those screens together as if they're a real functioning website, for example, so like a mini prototype. So before InVision App, we really didn't have a way to achieve that, and InVision App solved that problem for us. We chose InVision App because we needed a way to present to our clients the creative work that we'd done. Most of it was digital, and we wanted to present it long before any code was written. So we create a lot of websites. We needed a way to show clients what those websites might look like, even allow them to click through and act like they were real websites long before we'd actually built them, so that we could get early feedback. And InVision App allowed us to do that. Also allowed our developers to see some of the code that was sat behind the designs that we'd done, so that they could start to draw from those designs and start to build the real thing. But it also allowed us to do some really early user testing as well, so we could get end users to come and they could try it remotely and they could give their feedback through the mobile app. And we found that a really useful way to get sure in our minds that we were about to build the right thing before we wasted any money actually building it. Getting started with InVision App was really simple. You only really need to drag your files into a new project, and that's it. You can reorder them into whatever order you like. If you want to mimic someone clicking on one part of a page and moving on to a new page, or pretend that you're opening a new window or a modal window, all of that is very just touch of a button. So we found it really easy to get started. We also used a design package called Sketch at the time, and we could export directly from Sketch into InVision, so that as we changed things in our design package, we didn't have to then go and pick up those things and upload them into the InVision App. It all just happened as we moved things around. So we found that really useful and really efficient and streamlined. And as we did get feedback, we could make changes almost on the fly and kind of represent them again. So it made it very easy to work with. If you're considering using InVision App, for anyone who needs to present, especially digital work, be able to showcase how it's going to work in real life and do all of that remotely, InVision App is a great tool for that job. The only thing I would say is that if you're interested in doing more than that, if, for example, you're wanting to collaborate more with your development team, or you're looking to share the assets that you're using with a kind of a coding team, there are some limitations. And so we found it to be a really useful tool for really quick prototyping. But if we want more advanced prototyping, we found it a little bit restrictive. So really good if you're just getting started, you want to present work to clients, you want to get their feedback really quickly and maybe even get some end user feedback. Then InVision Apps are a really simple tool to use and really quick to get started.